Hi, my name is Gopakumar, and I'm currently working as a SAP architect at USD. In my role, I focus on designing and implementing innovative solutions that drive efficiency and transformation within the enterprise space. I collaborate closely with cross functional teams to ensure our technology strategy aligns with business goals, enabling scalable and sustainable growth for our clients. Recently, I had the opportunity to attend a servant leadership workshop, and it was an eye opening experience. The servant leadership workshop was truly transformative. It challenged my traditional understanding of leadership by emphasizing the importance of prioritizing the growth, well being, and empowerment of team members. What struck me most was the paradigm shift from a leader centric model to a team centric approach, where leadership is about serving others, listening actively, and creating an environment where everyone can reach their full potential. The key takeaways from the workshop were multifaceted. First, I learned that servant leadership is not about hierarchical power, but about empowering team members and removing obstacles that prevent them from performing at their best. Secondly, the importance of empathetic listening was emphasized. Truly understanding team members' perspectives, challenges, and aspirations. Third, the workshop highlighted how servant leadership can create a more inclusive, supportive work environment that naturally promotes innovation and engagement. Lastly, I gained practical techniques for developing emotional intelligence, practicing humility, and building genuine connections with team members. My implementation plan is focused on gradual, meaningful transformation. In my role as a SAP architect, I plan to integrate servant leadership principles in several concrete ways. First, I'll implement more collaborative design workshops where every team member's input is not just welcome but actively sought. Second, I'll establish regular one to one mentoring sessions to understand individual team members' professional development goals. Third, I'll work on creating a feedback culture or feedback mechanism that is constructive, transparent, and growth oriented. Additionally, I intend to lead by being more approachable, showing vulnerability, and demonstrating a genuine commitment to my team's personal and professional goals and growth. The ultimate goal is to create an environment where innovation thrives, team members feel valued, and our collective potential is maximized. Lastly, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to Dr. Madana Kumar and his incredible team for conducting such an inspiring and impactful servant leadership workshop. Thank you.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadyne. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.